Today, I'm going to show you how to set up this TradingView chart so that even if a nuclear bomb gets dropped on your TradingView account, you can go back and set things up and make sure your indicators are exactly where you need them to be at all times. You're going to save time, become more efficient, and have a general better trading experience. It's going to change your life in terms of the efficiency it's going to bring. Here's how we do it. First of all, we want to add some indicators to this chart. I'm going to pop in two moving averages that are simple because I'm a simple guy and that's what I like. Inputs are going to be length 200 because why not? That's what everybody uses. I'm going to make that line a red line right there. We're going to go okay. Then we're going to change this line, the SMA, to a 50-day because again, this is the general average that the traders use in the market. Let's go with the yellow for this one. Change to 50 days. We've got two indicators there. And I'm also going to add in one more indicator that I really like to use called the Bollinger Bands. So for this one, indicators, Bollinger Bands, okay? And they're going to pop into their default mode right there. So I'm going to make those the same as they are now. So I'm going to do one quick thing and change this line in the middle from orange to just off. Don't want to show that. Okay, so now what I have the opportunity to do inside of TradingView is to save this setup, these indicators right here, plus the volume bars down at the bottom as its own chart indicator template, meaning that if I change from Uber to any kind of other chart or even any kind of timeline, these different indicators are going to show up every single time I apply this template. To do this, very simply, the four squares up here, remember that game as a kid, you're playing the four squares in the schoolyard? You're going in there, save indicator template. There's a couple there already for you built in. We're going to go save, and we're going to go Harrison Ford is my hero, mainly because of Star Wars, not so much because of Indiana Jones. But then you can go down and click on two different things on here that are very important. If you want to click on remember the symbol, what this is going to do is that every time you put the indicator on in here to load this, I'm going to show you do that in a second. It's going to load up if you hover over this right here and show you the Uber chart with your indicators down at the bottom, the volume, the SMA times 2, and the Bollinger Band together. The next setting there, remember the interval is if you want to click that on, you can go ahead and do that. And that's going to give you the time interval. I'm showing days right now. 1 day, the D up here, the big D. I'm going to recommend you take these and turn them off so that you can apply this template to any single chart you have. And it's going to automatically populate versus taking you back to the Uber chart to start and then you going out from there. We click on save right here. We get out of this chart, go into something else, and we're going to just knock all these off. You can do this by clicking the X's and hovering over. Knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Go to something else again, back Bank of America right here. And we go up to this four square again magically. Harrison Ford is my hero. You know he is. And boom, you've got your indicators loaded up there. No matter what you want to do, they're going to always come back and be there for you, waiting to pop in your chart whenever you need them right up here. So enjoy the increased efficiency in your TradingView account. Make sure you save all your favorites in here so you're never going to lose them again. You can go any single stock, any chart you want. Keep applying those, apply other ones, flip back and forth between them, turn them on, turn them off, whatever you want to do. Harrison Ford is your hero. Remember that for your Star Wars fans out there. My name is Andrew. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.